Are you ensuring privacy and security to the users? Like in the photos, we have EXIF data. We have the location of the people where they shoot the photo. Are you removing this EXIF data, or you are leaving it with the photos when you upload it to the IM?
Good question. Yes and no. So we offer people the option of not adding any location data. The photos that are available on the app, on the website, and so on, they have the EXIF stripped, so they are completely clean. Of course, users can tag their location, so you can still see them, but the photos are clean. However, if you're buying a photo, then you're getting the original version, including the EXIF. But at that point, we assume it doesn't matter because you have agreed as a photographer to the commercial use of your photo, and then EXIF is kind of expected in the industry. But for regular Joe Blow, if they download one of your photos, they will not get the EXIF data in there. Very good question. Maybe in the back.